Good evening, all of you. I am going to teach you primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary, AUXILIARI. Primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary kinds. Primary auxiliary, two kinds. Main verb means full verb and helping verb also. I have drawn this chart to add how many primary auxiliary? 3. Verb to be, verb to have, verb to do. Verb to be, what is verb to be? Here V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Kinds of verb you have read. Forms of verbs you have read. Forms of verb है V1 present form, V2 past form, V3 past participle form, V4 verb plus ing, V5 verb in singular. Yes, understand it? Okay, thank you. Verb to have, verb to be. Here am, are, V1. V1 am, are, V2 past form, was, where. Where, W-E-R-E. V3 been. V4 being. V5 is in singular. In which person? In third person singular. I will teach you after this writing. After this I will teach you. First let me write. Let me write means allow me to write. First I will write freely. You will write this chart. Then I will teach you lovingly, easily, which you may understand well this way. Okay? To have. To have, see. To have here. V1 form, have. V2 had here. V3 also had. V4 having. V5 has. First I write it, then I will teach you. First write it carefully. To do, to have, or to be. Here inverted commas, you should use it. Inverted commas is essential. To flash it, to locate it, to indicate it. To be, to have, to do. Do here. V1 form do. Okay. V2 form did. V3 done. V5 doing. Or V5 does. Okay. Discuss it among us. I told you primary auxiliary two kinds. Main verb and helping verb also. So I teach these kinds of verb. M or R, decide first, M or R. How to main verb or how to auxiliary verb, means helping verb. Here first see, here M or R, I am a boy. What is this, please? I am a boy. What is am here? What is the function of am of this sentence? What is the function? What is the work? Or what is the role of am in this sentence? You will say auxiliary verb, helping verb, but no auxiliary verb. Here am as a main verb, because it does not help other main verb. It does not help another adverb, so it is main verb. Because here care subject plus auxiliary plus verb, suppose here verb, a plus noun or adjective, then here verb, main verb. Or when auxiliary verb, here subject plus auxiliary verb means helping verb plus main verb plus OW. Other words, here is our teaching. How main verb or how main verb or how is your auxiliary verb. Helping verb, it helps another adverb. It helps main verb. It helps a main verb, so is MR your helping verb. Example, take your example. I am going. I am going, am helps. Am helps, which does it help? It helps main verb, so this is your helping verb. Okay? Understand? Yes, thank you. I am going, here HV here, but here am, after am, no main verb, so this is not your helping verb, this is your full verb. This way clear? Like this, was or were also, only I teach you. I was a doctor, he was good. This is you in this sentence what? Was what? What is what? So was is your main verb. Because after was, no main verb. No main verb. So was is your full verb. And he was going to market. So was is your helping verb. Why? Was helps going. Was helps going to market, going. It helps means was helps going. So was is your helping verb. He was a doctor, was main verb, full verb. Like this, where also we were players, we were gentle, we were noble. So where, what is where here? Where is your full verb? But in case of helping verb, take your example. What is your example? We were going to market, we were helping him, we were helping the poor, we were helping our colleagues, our close friends, our bosom friends. The friends helping, we are helping, we were helping, the were help is helping, going to market. I was going to help them. The going, where helps going. So where is your helping verb? No doubt. Next here, been here. You have read this. I have been a doctor. I have been a doctor. The have is your auxiliary verb, but been is your main verb. मैं talk in English, teaching in English. So I will try to talk or teach in English. You will not feel difficulty to understand it. It is my motto. You read daily in grammar, in Hindi. But my motto, my aim to teach you in English freely, or my teaching will be easy to understand, to grasp my sentence here. So it is my motto, or I have taken a oath. I have taken an oath to teach you in English, or be simple, be easy to teach you. So here, been, I told you, I have been a doctor. Suppose here, I have been a doctor. I have been a doctor. So here, what is been here, please? The been is what is been? The been is your main verb or not, please? Main verb here. Which is your helping verb? The have is your helping verb. But not topic have here. My topic only been. The been is main verb here. Or here been main verb. Being a. Being a main verb how? Being here. The being here, being a doctor. I will help the poor. Being a good social person. I will help the society well. Is here. He is present. Ram is present. In case helping verb, he is going there. He is coming. He is present. Okay. Verb to have, say. Verb to have. I have take tea. We have take tea. We have coffee. We or I with have used in V1. First person singular, first person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, third person singular and plural. We use have. Have with which person? With first person, second person and third person plural have. So I told you, you have take tea, I have take tea, we have take tea, we have coffee, we have tea. Have means drink, take. Here had here. I had tea. I had tea, you had tea, he had tea. Here had also, he three also. I have had this work. I have had this work means have taken work. So I told you had having gone to market. Having gone to market, I bought the pen. Having come to school, I get knowledge. Having gone to temple, I have worshipped. See here, has here. He has a pen. She has a pen. This way, third verb to do, the do here. I do this work. I did this work. You did this work. You did this work means what? You did this work. And this work was done by you. I did this work, do did, heretofore, like this, eat ate, I ate, means I eat, then I ate, so I do, so I did. Here done here, I have done this work. I have done this work. Here doing, I am doing this work. Does here, he does this work, she does this work, Ram does this work. Here verb here, or which verb? Primary verb, kinds of primary verb, full verb and auxiliary verb means helping verb here. Both roles I have taught you. What is the role of main verb? What is the role of auxiliary verb here? But here dare, need or will, confusion among students. Dare to courage, encourage. Here need, necessity, requirement, to be requirement, or will, to want something, will here. So here dare means what? Dare first, dare V1. Dare, D-A-R-E-D, dared. I hear also dare, D-A-R-E-D, dared. I hear daring, D-A-R, daring, or here dares, D-A-R-E-S, dares. Need, needed, okay, needing, needs. And here will here, willed, willing, wills. This is the form of these need or will also. Dare here, I dare to do this work. I dare to do this work means I have capacity to do this work. Here dare to encourage to do this work freely, no doubt, no, not here ability to do this work, ability, capacity to do this work, here dare, and here need require. Require here, want to do something, I need a pen. I need a pen. We need a pen. We need some pens. We need some pencils. I, we clear. They clear. Needed also. The needed with needed any subject because non-finite verb. So needed here, they worked, he worked. Like this, needed, they needed, I needed, but some pens. You go to market, you told the shopkeeper, asked you how many pens will you take? You told, here I needed some pens. Here I needed some pens, past indefinite, he went, they went. You wrote like this, I needed. What needed? I needed some pens. They have needed some pens. Boy needed some toys. Here, needed, needing here, needing in case continuous. Continue your work. Continuous. Continue your work continuous. I am daring like this. I am needing a pen. I am needing a pencil. I am needing your help. While I am in difficulty, then I am needing your help. It belongs to continuous. Which continuous? I am belonging. I am needing. Present continuous. Work is on in present tense. Such a piece of work which work is on in present tense. Continuous tense. Work is on, so continuous in which stage? In which stage? At present time. So present continuous here. Here needing here or needs. Here verb in singular form. In singular V5 text always singular. V1 always plural verb. So here needs a, he needs a pen, he needs your help. She needs to sing a song. Here will, you will understand, you will tell what is will. This is your modal verb you have written. You are telling here main verb, but here will. You will say, here will modal verb, sir. I will go. I shall go. Definitely then I will go. Surely I will go. But according to your grammar, first person I shall, second and third person will, but that is your modal verb. But this is not your modal verb. This is your main verb here. Main verb will, wish to do something. Will. I will do. I will write. I will. Here I will to write a letter. I will to write a letter. Means I want to write a letter. I have. I will here. Clear here? Will here. I will to do this work. I will to sing a song. I will to help you. We will to help you, because when verb, so will here will with any subject, no doubt. Here, so will or willed here, I willed to read this story. I willed to write a letter yesterday. Here, willed, I have willed to read the Ramayana. I have willed, with three for, I have willed to sing a song, to write a beautiful story. We willed, some of us have willed to help the world. Wills here, he wills to sing a song. She wills to sing a song. Ram wills to help the poor. Sita wills to dance. This is the forms of the verb. This is the structure of the verb in the sentence. So you will try to talk in English, but freely or easily. Your sentence should be simple. Anybody will understand your sentence. You should take an oath. I have to talk. I have to talk in English. I have to teach in English. I have to talk with our friends in English. First, you may commit mistake, but you will practice daily. No difficulty to talk to your friends, to your teacher. You can talk freely, easily, without hesitation. So let us to come to take an oath with English, not in Hindi. This is my wish. This is my trial to you. I hope you will talk in English in broken language, but after some time, not your broken language, you will talk among your friends correctly. No doubt, my teaching will be likable. Before you will subscribe my channel, or you should be comparative minded. So you should share with your friends, with your society. Thank you very much.